Yes, good afternoon mga ka-Wild Sons. Pay close attention to this announcement. First is our Sunday service. It will be held at PICC Forum 3, 10 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m. And syempre, kung meron tayong PSOL training, Sunday service, meron rin tayong PSOL training. Yan ay 8:15 a.m., 11:45 a.m., and 4:45 p.m.
And of course, JD, ang training natin ay nagsisimula talaga yan sa ating encounter. Kaya naman, may I see the hands of all the women here? Alright, this August 23, 24, and 25, we will be having our Women's Encounter. That will be held at PBS Building. Kaya sa mga leaders, i-register na natin yung mga delegates natin.
And syempre, Venus, kung meron kayong Women's Encounter, hindi kami magpapatalong mga kalalakihan. Kaya meron rin tayong Men's Encounter. Yan naman ay sa August 30 to September 1 sa PBS din yan.
At ito, JD, alam ko, ito ang isa sa pinaka-inaabangan nating lahat. Ang ating regional conference on September 7, 2013 at Cuneta Astrodome. Registration fee is only 150 pesos. Alam ba, JD, sulit na yan sa isang buong araw na dahil marami talaga tayong matututunan.
Yes, Venus, and speaking of sulit, alam kong susulitin rin ng mga kawalsas natin ang word natin for this day. Kaya let's welcome, she is an ECE student from UE Manila and also a part of Cryogenics. Let's welcome Angelica Peñola.